I discovered something. This might be a slow movement. Maybe I just haven't been paying attention. Y'all see that?
One of them ones.
No. How dare her?
I'm ready. I'm so ready. Because the way I was looking at food prices the other day. What's up, y'all? It's the start of a new vlog. If you're new here, my name is Jayla. Please consider subscribing. We are almost to 800 subscribers. So today's Saturday. I just got done with my workout. It was upper body day, so we did arms, abs, and back. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling sore, so that's good. And it's my last workout of the week because I don't work out on Sundays. I might do a walk. I might go for a walk, but that's pretty much it. But I wanted to do something that makes me feel good, so I'm gonna do my hair. Now, I don't like doing my hair because I'm gonna straighten it. I don't like doing my hair, but I do want to learn how to do my hair so I don't have to go to my hairdressers and pay $80, $100, all that. Like, no. And besides, like, I'm trying to cut back on spending money on beauty maintenance. So, lashes, they're not going nowhere, but hair and nails, we're not doing it. We're not doing it right now. I'm excited. Now I'm not able to do it in the timely fashion that they can do it because they have me like an hour and 15 minutes max. And for me, probably will take me almost all day because once I put the conditioner in, I want to leave it in for like an hour or two, and then to straighten it, that's like a good 3 hours. So yeah, anyways, but I need a heatless comb. Hopefully I'm making sense, but every time, like, my hairdressers use like the comb method. So basically you use the straightener and use the comb and you run it down with your straightener. Why am I blurry? So you use it with the straightener, and so in the comb I have, it started to melt. I'm like, what's going on here? So my hairdresser said you need like a heatless comb or something. I don't know exactly what she said, but basically when I use it, flat iron, it shouldn't melt. It should be just fine. So we're at Sally's to see if we can find it, and hopefully whoever's in here knows what I'm talking about. Anyways, let's see if they have it. Okay. So this is what I'm looking for. And y'all, it's $10. Insane. Okay, so I got this. This is heat resistant. And then I also got some clips to put them in sections. So hopefully both of these will help the process. All right, y'all, we are back home. I had to walk my dog. We did about a mile walk. Y'all don't mind my hair, we're about to hop in the shower, but I want to come on here to show you guys what I'm gonna wash my hair with and what I'm gonna wash my hair with. So I'm using this Olaplex. It's actually kind of leaking. It's in a bag, but this is the Bond Maintenance. This is what my hairdresser uses. I bought all the products that she uses, so with time, I'm gonna have the same outcome as her when she does my hair. And then I'm gonna use the Samika Hydro Rush. I bought this one, if you guys watch my vlog, I bought this one full price at Sephora, okay? But my local TJ Maxx started carrying Amika products, and I ended up getting the big body for $24. Original price is $42. So even though I still had some of this already to use, I was like, you know what, these Amika products go quick, so if you see them, grab them at TJ Maxx. But I was able to get a deal, so I'm kind of happy about that. And then also, why I'm in the shower, I'm about to brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna put on one of these whitening strips. If you watched my last vlog, then you know that these are good, and I stand by these. Now, I was looking, I'll give you the quick spiel that I said in my last vlog, but I seen these all over TikTok, and at first I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just buy them. But then I thought about it, I'm like, these people that are raving about them on TikTok are getting commission off of it. So I was like, what if they don't work, you know? But one day I went into TJ Maxx and I was looking for some whitening strips, and the last time I went before that, they didn't have any, and they ended up having them. I'm like, that's crazy, because I've never seen these at TJ Maxx. I'm here to tell you, They work. Get you some. I don't make commission off of these. Clearly, my review is the real thing. Yeah, I just want my teeth to look white. I don't have nowhere to go today, but I don't know. Today is just about making ourselves look good so that we can feel good. Okay, I'm about to get in the shower because I'm sick of looking at my hair like this, and I'll catch y'all in the next step in this process. All right, I got 3 parts white strip, but listen, we just washed out the conditioner. I'm about to use this magic potion. It is the Dream Coat by Wow. This stuff is the truth. Y'all, every time my hairdresser uses this, my hair is bone straight. So fingers crossed, my hair could be the same. How we're looking so far. So I discovered something, and this might be a slow moment, and maybe I just haven't been paying attention to my stylist, but I was like, when you straighten your hair, does the comb go first, then the flat iron, or is it like this? Because last time I straightened my hair, it didn't come out as good, and it was because I was going flat iron first, then comb second, when really, it's comb first, then flat iron. And I see a difference, low key. So hopefully this is it, like I'm able to get it like my stylist, but we'll see. Anyways, it's 4:40. Took me 15 minutes to do this, so I'm gonna keep going because I'm not trying to be doing this for almost the rest of the day. I'm aiming to be done by 7, so we'll see. You'll see that. It is 6:14, and I just got these 2 sections, which is like the straightest part and easiest to do, but we're like done with the back. The back is the hardest part. Y'all see the shine? And it's soft. So anyways, hopefully I can be done in like the next hour. Hopefully, so yeah, hopefully I can be done in the next hour. We'll see. My feet hurt, my arms hurt, but hopefully it's gonna be easy now. Whoa. What's up, y'all? It's a couple days later. We are gonna be going to HomeGoods and HomeGoods and Marshalls. It's like a connected store. First, gotta take my dog on a walk, and then we're gonna head out. For perfume, I usually have these 2 in rotation. This one I believe is from Amazon, and then my stepmom actually bought me this, and then this one I got from TJ Maxx. These are more of my, I'm not sure how much this perfume costs, but these are more of like my everyday when I go to the gym perfumes, or if I'm just running the store, which I am today. Both smell really good, but like the perfume that I spent my hard-earned money on, that's like over $100, we save those for special occasions. As you see, I've been working out, so I got my edges covered because yeah, I do want to get like another box. So I have a box where I put all like my cards in, like from graduation, birthdays, any special day that I've gotten a card, I have it. So any card that my family has given me, my boyfriend, anybody, friends, like I have it and I keep it. And I read them when like I feel down or I'm just going through my things, I'll read them. So I want to get another box because the box that I have them in is overflowing. So so I want to see if they have a box like that, and then I also want to see if they have like what kind of fall decor they have. So there you go. I love you. I love you. I wish she was a Virgo, the same sign as me. Got my protein. I'm in all, baby. Everywhere in this.
I'm tight, what he say? I'm the one. Let's go. He must got things for real, bitch.
About the way you stare into my eyes. They have Stanley's and HomeGoods. Crazy. Not the color I want though. This would be cute for. This would be cute for trick-or-treating. I don't think I'll ever buy Halloween decor. I'm just not into it. But fall decor, yes. This is kind of what I'm looking. This is kind of what I'm looking for, but bigger. They have this, but this is no. It's cute too. And then they got decorative books. It's interesting. These boxes is kind of what I'm looking for, but they're all like ugly patterns. This smells so good. No. This is such a pretty mirror. I like the shape of it. This is cute too. I already have a big mirror though. Well, this one's cute too. But for this mirror, $200 is robbery. I'm convinced that I live in an area where there's a bunch of stay-at-home moms and people, or stay-at-home women in general, or people that are retired, because the way this HomeGoods was packed and all I seen was women just shopping, okay? And then I seen like an older couple that looked like they're retired. But the way this HomeGoods always be packed, or like the way that Trader Joe's down the street be always be packed, it don't matter what time of day it is, these parking lots are full. But anyways, they didn't have much of fall decor. They had more like Halloween decor, which, like I said earlier, like I probably would never buy Halloween decor because I'm not into Halloween. But anyways, I'm about to go home and cook that chicken I bought because your girl is starving. What's up y'all? Today is Sunday. I can't remember the last time I vlogged, but anyways, this morning I woke up, went for a walked about like 3 miles and listened to a sermon while I was walking. So I did get a dose of the word on this beautiful Sunday. And then also went home, made breakfast, and now we're about to get sushi. It's been hours later and we're about to get sushi. Me and my boyfriend haven't had sushi in like, it's been like a month and a half, 2 months. It's been a minute. So I'm excited. And then we might go to Nothing Bun Cakes to try the Biscoff flavor. I'm excited by that too. He's more of a Biscoff fan. I'm not, but I'll eat anything that's bun cake. So I would love to try it. Yeah. On my way here, I was calling my mom and she took me straight to voicemail. How dare her? I'm her only child and she sent me straight to voicemail. That's insane. But we did talk like 20 minutes ago, so I guess. She's probably gonna call me back and I'm gonna be like, I don't feel like talking anymore. So I'm hungry, so I'm just waiting on him. It's crazy how all of like the Rite Aid, like all the Rite Aids in my area have closed. Some of the Walgreens have closed. Like, it's just crazy. And I'm just like, what's like driving? I feel like all the things at Walgreens and all the things at Rite Aids are like so overpriced. Like, I'd rather just buy it on Amazon, and maybe that's why they're going out of business. Because my mindset is probably like many others' mindset, and how Walgreens and Rite Aid is very overpriced stores. But they're more so those stores where it's like, if you need something urgently, like if I need Zyrtex or if I need Pepto-Bismol, like I'm gonna go to that store because I need it right now. I get it, but I probably, like, if I need it right now, I'll probably just go to a bigger grocery store like Walmart or Fred Meyer's, where I know it's gonna be a little less money than going to those smaller stores. But I don't know, it's kind of sad. I just feel like a lot of stores are closing. It's kind of insane.
Mama Princess with medium skin tone.
Oh, look who's calling me back. What's up, y'all? Today is Thursday. I woke up this morning craving chili. So we are on the way to the store to get chili ingredients. I already checked at home what I already had, so we're just gonna get what we need. But can we get back to the point where eating out was more expensive than cooking at home? Like, I'm ready. I'm so ready. Because the way I was looking at food prices the other day, like, I forgot what I wanted to make, but, like, it was going to come out to, like, $30. As I was saying, yeah. The times we are in right now is insane. It's just insane. The way meat is priced out is crazy. It's crazy. I'm at a point where, don't get me wrong, I love going out to eat. Love it, especially if it's like a new restaurant or a new experience. Like, I love going out to eat, okay? But there's times where I'm like, I want to cook me something good to eat. I want to cook me a home cooked meal. And I start to think about what I want to eat, and I begin on TikTok like, I want to try this new recipe, or even baking. Like, baking is my jam. Like, that is a hobby of mine. But I just be looking at all these ingredients I need, and I'm just like, this is about to add up. I'm still anxious on how much this is gonna add up to, so we'll see. We'll see. Also, as y'all seen, I did my hair in this vlog. I believe it was this vlog. Yeah, I did my hair in this vlog. And y'all, it's really like lasting. Now, I could use some edge control right now, but I've been like using a headband every time I go to work out, and that's been helping my hair to still like lay down and still look good. And I'm actually like happy. And the way it turned out for me doing it by myself, like, this was salon worthy. So I'm actually super proud of myself, because that was one of my goals this year, was to learn how to like do my hair the way my stylists do my hair. So y'all, for this little thing, $8. So this is all the stuff I got. Which some of these things I eat every day, but $44. Okay, $44 for 24 items. What do you guys think? So it's currently 11:45. I got all my ingredients for chili. I tried chili with corn in it. It was actually good, but I don't know if I'm gonna put it in this time. I'm still debating. But anyways, let's see how long it's gonna take me to make. I'm thinking like 45 minutes. So we got our chili. I'm gonna put some cheese and sour cream. And then we got our honey cornbread. And it's 12:44. So about an hour.